Hello and welcome to the channel. I have 3 Makita batteries today. These were given to me by a guy from Sligo called Kieran Loftus. He's a viewer of the channel and he likes what I do. And he's gifted these to me among other things. But I'm going to show you what condition these are in now. I'm going to test them using this Venlab multimeter I got recently. And if you want to purchase this one, I'll leave a link in the description and the pinned comments. So I'm just going to test the voltage of these batteries to see what condition they're in. This one's 15.54, so a little bit low, not too bad. This one is 1.89, that's not 18.99, that's 1.8, so that's less than 2 volts, not great. And 7.65, not awesome either. So my plan today is to bring up the voltage of these to see if we can get them to charge. And I'm going to use a novel idea that I thought of quite recently. This laptop power supply. I'll just get it up close to you see. If you can see, it's putting out 19 volts and 3.42 amps, so it should be plenty capable of bringing these up. But please don't try this at home. This is only for people like me that have more time than sense. So I'll get it ready here and I'll show you what I'm going to do. So I'm going to take some crocodile clips and wires and wire them up to the end of the laptop power supply. Remember, the center pin is plus. I'm not telling you to do this, but the center pin is plus. So wire up to the red one. So I'll put that up the center and I'll tape that on and use the green one as the negative, and I'm going to tape that on to the outside, which is the negative terminal. So tape that on, then I'll test it to see if it's right. As you see, if these attached now, so what I can do is I can test the power coming out. See if we're getting the 19 volts. No, we're not. It is like change of tactics here, but yeah, the power coming. So this is the positive here, and this is the negative. That's my other multimeter telling me that there's power nearby. That's good. So if I get a good connection here, hold on. Yeah, that's showing 19.39 volts. So the black wire, this is slightly backwards. So the black wire is a positive and the brown wire is the negative, and we've got power going through. And what we're going to do is connect this laptop power supply up to this battery at the same time as monitoring the voltage that's going through this other battery. So it's sitting at 7.65 at the minute, and you should see a sharp rise in voltage. So I better get this right. So that's a plus going in there. And that's the minus going in there. And you see the power going up? It's going up to 60. Get up to about 17.5, then we'll pull it out. There you are. So what I don't like about that is the power is dropping quite rapidly. So that battery may be kaput. So when you do put power onto a battery like that and it drops like that, that means it's probably gone. So we'll go to battery 2. Battery 2 is 1.9 volts. So let's try again on this one. So the black wire is a positive, remember? And the other wire is a negative, so we need to be very careful, keep an eye on this here now. So you can 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. Get to 17.5 and we'll pull the wires off. And if it stays steady at 17.5, we'll put it on the charge, see if it goes. It's getting slower. That's not going in a hair in that. So we'll try battery 3. Battery 3 hasn't got far to go because it's already at 15.54 volts. If all the cells are good, hopefully we should get a good result. So the black wire's wired up to the positive and the other wire's negative, so here we go. Look, right away up to 19.5 volts, nearly 19.34. That's good. So it's dropping again. That's less good. That's less good. Still dropping away, but I think I'll give it another blast just to see. So that's taking the full voltage there anyway. So I'll leave it on for a minute to see what it can do. We'll take it off now and I'll try it on the charger right away. See what it work. Will it work? Any chance? And this charging. And this charging. Tried one of these on, that's charging too. One of the smaller ones. So we might have a result there. So that's how you bring up the voltage and fix your Makita batteries or your other power tool batteries with a laptop charger. If you enjoyed this video or find it helpful in any way, give the video a thumbs up please and check out my channel for other videos.